Headless horseman. Cause oh, what a loss. I went back to get my stuff, and it was tangled up and tough. I stood there and stared you down, and I walked aimlessly around with a flaming pumpkin head. Oh, what a loss. My soft hands replaced by claws. You turned me into a stray dog from a mighty human man.